This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, April 13th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some high-level clouds moving into the state from the west, another storm system over the Pacific Northwest, and a storm system over New England and the East Coast, producing some rain. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. You can see fairly quiet, nothing of significance around the country. We move right ahead to the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see the precipitation will be mainly about 1 inch to 1.5 inches over the east to upwards of almost 2.5 to 3 inches over the west. Let's take a look at it. This is the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough to the east, trough to the west, a bit of a ridge over the center part of the country, down below at the surface. You can see a weak cold front trying to move into the northwestern part of the state. This may kick off maybe a shower over far northwest Iowa late in the day today. Otherwise it will remain dry. Thursday, here comes a storm system out to the west. Low pressure over about Dodge City, Kansas, with a cold front to the south and some moisture over the north, so we could see some rain then. Here we go back to the upper levels here on Friday afternoon. Big old upper level trough centered around Kansas City, Missouri, and at the surface low is over Kansas City, Missouri, with a lot of moisture streaming in from the south and southeast. So this will be a dreary, cold, wet day, and this will last into Friday night and early Saturday. Now, the latest thinking looks to be that it will stay all rain, maybe a few flurries, because it will be just warm enough for that. And then as we head into Sunday, the model is showing some moisture over the state. We believe it probably be more clouds than anything, so we will be disregarding this. But by Monday, here comes another storm system to the southwest. Moisture will be returning in from the Gulf of Mexico, so maybe a shower or some rain on Monday late in the day. By Tuesday, the storm system is now east of the state with colder air coming in. Now, looking at this could mean we could have some rain, maybe mixing in with a bit of snow Tuesday. And by Wednesday, the storm is gone, and cooler conditions. This will easily see temperatures below normal at midweek next week. So some cooler weather ahead again. Heading into Voodoo country, here's April 26th. Bit of a trough over the center part of the country with a ridge off the Pacific or west coast and off the east coast down at the surface. That could mean some moisture, some rain, possibly a thunderstorm or two. Severe weather, way too early to determine this far in advance. And at the end of the forecast period on April the 28th, still ridge over the west and trough over the center and eastern part of the country. So that will likely mean cooler conditions and possibly wet conditions over the state and the upper Midwest. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.